to stay for a minute so I can be brave. Let me catch my breath. Now I can feel what I'm saying. I'm letting you know this heart's on the edge.
Dang man, what am I going to do today? I've just been watching Netflix all day. Wait, let's check the weather. 80 degrees. We gotta get out of here. Gonna need these.
On my way down memory lane, you and me.
Alright guys, off on the trail. Met a few other hikers. We have Armando, my man right here.
Hey.
And Noel.
Noel.
Shout out your handles guys, your YouTubes. They're content creators too.
Majestic Space Flights. Check it out.
Awesome.
My YouTube channel, Aero FPV, guys.
Aero
I fly,
FPV.
long-range fixed-wing airplanes.
Awesome. These guys are cool. We just met them in the parking lot. You just never know who you're gonna meet, guys. They seem cool. Now I'm off to the campsite. I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Such a beautiful day. 80 degrees, first beautiful day of the season. Gotta get out camping as soon as possible, right, Mondo? So once again, met these guys on the trail. They're content creators as well. I'm gonna put their links to their channels in the description.
Thanks.
It's so crazy to meet other content creators, right, guys?
Yes.
Such a small world. Let's enjoy this beautiful day. We'll check in with you guys back at camp.
Chasing the easy life. We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the sun tonight. We're chasing the easy life. Easy life.
You gotta say bye to the camera.
Yes.
Yo, guys, you out?
Yes, we're out of here. Great meeting you, Eric Ventures, and stay safe, man. You're going to be all alone here in the woods. It's dangerous. Some black bears back there.
Bye, guys. Hike safe.
Yes.
Good time meeting Armando and Noel. Everyone go check out their channels. Totally forgot what they are, but I did say it in the video already. You know, it's such an amazing community of content creators on YouTube or whatever. Video content creators, any hobby, man. They're really into drone flights and stuff like that. Check out their stuff. Their link's going to be in the description. It was cool meeting Armando and Noel. We're definitely going to collaborate in the future, get some good drone footage. I myself have to get back in the drone game. But so far, great hike here. Just beautiful, man, as the sun sets. Got about, it's 5:30 right now. Sun's going to set around 7:30. Someone's calling me. Christ, I'm tired from today, man. 3 miles, but I'm feeling tired with this 40 pounds on my back. So I expected a solo overnight. Josh might be coming before 7 today. Might take the hike in. But as of right now, looks like it's gonna be a solo overnight. Let's get to the campsite and set up. I'm fucking tired. Let's get some food. Get some food in our system. I'm tired, guys. Let's go. It's like 5:30 right now. Got about 2 hours of sunlight left. We gotta get camp started. Finally made it. I'm freaking tired, man. I'm beat. We definitely gotta cook up some food tonight. But Nice campsite. They got a little seating area right here. We got the fire ring right there. I'm a little worried about this dead tree right here falling when we're chilling around the fire. But nice campsite, nice flat area behind me. And now we're gonna set up camp real quick. Definitely enough space. This is for 25 people, it's crazy. Outhouse all the way back there, which is convenient, so we don't gotta take a poop in the woods. But still gotta bring your own toilet paper. Cool camping site, man. Let's set up camp, guys. I was done setting up the tent, and then we're gonna start cooking up because I'm freaking hungry. I got some short ribs tonight, and then tomorrow I got a nice ribeye. But let's get this camp set up, man. I got a lot to do. Let's go. And I gotta collect firewood, man. Hopefully, there's a lot of dead trees around, actually. Gotta collect some firewood for this fire tonight, too. So let's go. It is 7 o'clock. The fire's going really good right now. This is what we got for dinner. We're working with. This was frozen, fully frozen. As I hiked today, I thawed out. We got some beef short ribs. So let me season these bad boys up. And we're gonna get down the fire. Look at this fire, guys. It's raging. Oh my God, good fire. All right, guys, let's season these bad boys up. Oh, that looks so good. This is a backpackers and bushcraft must need for dudes that love steak. Montreal steak seasoning from McCormick's. McCormick's, please sponsor me because I love this. It's good. This is what we have to cook on tonight, guys, which is probably the perfect size. Bushcraft little grill. Oh my Lord, look at that. Look at that. Look at those short ribs cooking, guys. Oh, Lord heaven save me. Oh yes, that is perfect. Little topic to talk about. No, my short rib fell. Slight topic to talk about. This is my first backpacking trip, camp out trip. I guess you can say it's backpacking. I did hiking 3 miles. So, my first backpacking trip or camp out overnight by myself. But, it's me, myself, and I tonight. Actually, you guys too. I'm taking you guys along with me. We're gonna enjoy this overnight trip. I'm gonna organize a little bit, get ready to eat because I'm starving. Looks like maybe we have 20 minutes of sunlight left. It's my first overnight solo trip, and a lot of people are probably gonna ask, oh, how do you go? Or how do you start backpacking on your own? The number one thing with backpacking on your own is you're on your own. And a lot of people are afraid of that. Maybe it'd be the dark, the fear of being alone, or what's in the woods at night. To overcome that fear is to just start. It's my first trip to overcome the fears of what's lurking in the woods at night. And you know what's funny? It's Friday the 13th. I should name this video Friday the 13th backpacking trip. To get started on your own, you just have to get out there. Get outside, and it doesn't have to be a 3-mile hike in away from your car. So my recommendation would be to start somewhere where you're very comfortable and you're willing to do, somewhere you feel safe, maybe close to your car at a regular car camping site. Just get out there, be outdoors. And then someday, and over time, after experience, you'll become more comfortable with backpacking, solo, and whatnot. So tonight, solo adventure, just me relaxing, eating good food. Tomorrow, group trip, so let's get back to cooking this food. You know, on some adventures, you gotta bring a little something, something, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna say it's moonshine. It's just so amazing to be immersed in the woods, away from the suburbs, away from the city. It was something I really got into this past 2 years, year and a half. I was a Cub Scout when I was younger, and I always liked camping. I always had an annual family camping trip. You know, over time, I didn't really go camping anymore, but it was resurrected when I was like 19, when I went on a camping trip. I asked my friends if they wanted to go camping out of the blue when we were sophomores in college, and 10 of us went to PA, Blue Rock Campground, which is a car camping site. We posted up there for 2 nights and we had the best time. And we had an epic hike on the Appalachian Trail to Pinnacle Point in Pennsylvania. And that summit just changed everything. That's the day my life changed. Just viewing out that viewpoint, that summit, looking across for hundreds of miles. And it was the clearest day ever, maybe a few clouds. It was just something so amazing about that viewpoint, that summit. It was unbelievable. And then from there, I just caught the hiking and backpacking bug and just being out in nature. This past year, I've been getting into backpacking trips, camping. I got recently into fishing. I'm trying to get better at that. I might go fishing later. I got this little telescopic rod. But I'll definitely go tomorrow. Try to catch something. And that's it, guys. Just caught the bug and I'm loving it now. I'm loving nature. Loving being outdoors. It's getting dark now. Let's eat these short ribs quick and then definitely gather firewood and organize a camp. Dope site, man. I like it. Just got a bunch of the dead limbs on the ground. So hopefully this will last. Wow. Rest of the night just calls for chilling. I have some snacks that I didn't put in the bear bin. I don't recommend that, but have some chocolate peanut M&Ms I would be munching on. I think I have enough wood to last me till 10. Just enjoy the fire. Guys, please remember to like, comment down below if you have any questions on how to start how to start solo backpacking or backpacking in general, what you need, the gear, or just a general comment, feedback on this video. Drop a comment down below, please. And remember to hit that red play button down there to subscribe to this channel for more content. I'll check back with you guys if anything happens. I was chilling here keeping the fire going, and I heard something big going through the brush behind me. So then I walk over on my headlamp, I'm looking. I turn off my headlamp. Then I see 4 pairs of white eyes, little white eyes, staring at me. I was like, oh, obviously they are deer, but I've never really experienced just seeing 4 sets of eyes in the darkness just popping out. And then I think we're gonna call it a night, guys. Toss on the last bit of firewood. We're gonna sit in the tent, chill out, wake up early, make some tea, and then Josh is probably gonna make his way here in the morning, and then we're gonna go meet up with the group. So I'm gonna check in with you guys if anything happens, but for now I'm just gonna enjoy the fire. As you see, I'll just chill back, relax until the fire lets out, and then we'll hit the hay, guys. It is 10:37 at night now. Looking forward to the beautiful morning, making some tea. Alright guys, I think I'm checking out for the night. Day 1 was freaking awesome. Amazing solo adventure. I'm looking forward to the morning. Alright guys, I'll check you guys in the morning. Good morning everybody. It was a restless night. Hard to sleep. It's currently 5:43. Sun's gonna be rising up at 6:30, 6:20. Restless sleep last night, guys. I probably only got on and off 2.5 hours of sleep. But in the middle of the night, I hear people coming through, so I thought they were just hikers. And then I heard the craziest sound ever, man. Like trees falling, like 10 trees falling. And then I look out the fucking tent, and there's 2 fucking hikers, loud as hell. Like maybe 100, 200 yards away. And then I had in my mind, it's Friday the 13th, and like, I was like a little bugged out, so. Alright guys, I'll check up with you guys again when I make some tea. Alright guys, good morning everybody. First light already popped up, but sunrise is in like 15 minutes, so I'm gonna do a time lapse over there and make some tea on the coastline. Let's go catch the sunrise, guys, alright?
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life.
What you got in that bag?
Oh damn, bro, these spiders crazy.
I told you.
New Belgium Voodoo Ranger IPA, Juicy Haze. I think it's like 7.5. Yep.
7.
Gun.
Music off. No music. Yo, Han, yo,
Fucking Shin Ramen,
what
yo.
you got there, boy? Right there.
Take out chopsticks.
Ooh,
What do you know about that?
take a bite of that. I don't know. What's up, bro?
I wish we had footage of him.
I told you.
I know. I wish I fucking had it,
It was
man.
Rocky, man. I have
He
to watch
made it.
out.
How you feel after that hike?
Oh, after the hike, bro. I'm
You
beat.
tired, bro?
I'm tired.
Yo, get some food in that belly, man.
Yeah.
You good, son? Chris, how was that hike, man?
Yo, it was exhausting, especially getting lost with it.
I know, yo. I'll kill myself.
Leading me the
Yo.
wrong way.
I would have killed myself already.
It looks good for the gram. Yeah.
But they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind,
Right.
You got this? You got this, son?
Iceland, yo?
Yeah, we ready. We're gonna make burgers in Iceland too.
Hell yeah. It's gonna be a rough night, definitely. Josh's boy Miguel got no sleeping bag, wearing a sweatshirt, and it's gonna hit 40 degrees. Yo, people dying tonight. Alright, I'm done filming before this camera breaks. Alright, see you in the morning. Yo, Miguel, you survived, bro?
I survived, bro.
How do you feel?
I feel terrible.
You never going camping again,
I'm
right?
not doing this shit ever again. I almost
Morning,
died.
Ryan. This night,
Yo, the tent was flying away like 3 times in one night.
Luna, Champ. Luna's alright, you got cold once, but you know you good. And that red tent over there, they're dead. Last night I was warm as shit. Han was freezing. Let's go interview this man right now. He's too cold for him last night. His boy was freezing since 8 p.m. He's been sleeping 12 hours. We're gonna close out this vlog. We're gonna see you guys in another adventure. These people will never come camping again. Thank you for watching. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Peace out. Everybody, hopefully this is in focus. It's really windy right now. We finally made it back to the parking lot. Made it through the night. It was rough for some of us. Some of us almost died. Back to the parking lot. Now we headed to the diner. And look at this current right now. The wind is ripping. Ryan, look at this makeshift pack. That's how we do it. Yo, Iceland.